Hello everybody, it's Colin here, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough through the Mundo Media affiliate CPA network. And this is one of the Canadian networks. I think they have like 3 offices all over the world, but their main office is in Canada. This is their main website, mundo.net. It's a very big player, it's been around for years. As you can see here, they have tons of offers in 180 countries represented, so tons of geos. And once we have a look inside the dashboard, you will also see that there's tons and tons of different verticals which they represent. So this is a very big affiliate network. So let's dive into the dashboard. As you can see here, this is what it looks like. In the top right, you have your affiliate manager with the details. So I can only reach her by email or by Skype. I've talked to her for a bit, and actually January 2019 I'm going to start with this platform. As you can see, so far I've not earned anything. I've been approved for like I think 8 months, but at the time it was not interesting. Right now they have some new offers which are interesting, so I'm planning to work with them in the near future. On the right you can see the tweets which they go out, so you can get a little bit updated on the news, what they're doing. So if anything is interesting, it pops up here, but you can read it if you want. Obviously your daily stats will be represented here at the top, and here there will be a few of your daily activities. Of course it says no data available because I'm not running anything. What's funny is they have like a custom tab here with featured offers, and if you go to trending, then on the right you will see some keywords which are trending right now. So as you can see, iPhone, antivirus, dating, Android, WhatsApp, Brazil, the countries. So these are very generic keywords which are being searched on the platform, and no bonus offers at this moment. So this is what the main dashboard looks like. On the left you have your name with your account ID, and then your account settings where you can change your personal information and put your pixels if needed. Also the postbacks go there. Your payment history, a smart link if you ever want to use that, maybe for pub traffic. Some offer recommendations, those are put in by your affiliate manager. So basically on the introduction on Skype or whatever communication source you choose, they will ask you what kind of offers you run and what kind of verticals, and they will put the recommendations here. And you can change the notification settings of the email right here, maybe on caps, all that stuff. But what's obviously very interesting is the report section. So you have 3 different styles. Yeah, it's not showing anything anyway. Charge, tables, and referrals. Well, obviously what it says, if you press charge, it will show some charge of your daily activities. But the fun thing is you can change it here based on revenue, lead click, unique clicks, conversion rate, earnings per unique click, and here you can change it again per geo, per mobile. So what will happen is you will get like a huge overview of all the different data right here, which is usually only like daily, weekly, monthly, and then the sub IDs, but this is a lot more detailed, which is actually pretty cool. For the tables it's the same thing. You would get clicks, unique clicks, leads, the conversion rates, the earning per click, the earning per unique click, the campaign ID will go here with the title, and the revenue is shown on the right. All of this can be downloaded by just clicking here, and you'll get an Excel file, which is obviously really, really nice. Well, one of the most interesting things about this platform is the amount of offers they have and the amount of geos they run. So let's have a look at the actual campaigns. So once you do campaign search, you can browse all the different campaigns. And in my campaigns, you get all your approved campaigns. So for this platform, all the campaigns are not pre-approved. You have to request to run everything. But usually in the intro call, your affiliate manager will approve a bunch of offers for you to test out. So as you can see, this is the advanced option tab, what I use to search my offers. Once you choose location, you can see they have all these different locations. So basically tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, it's all represented in this platform. The primary verticals, as you can see, every vertical is represented. And once you press one, the second vertical might open up, depending if you can dating, I think it might have some. Yeah, see, aggressive, casual, mainstream. and then you can filter that. Here you can filter based on the traffic type you're running. So if you're only running social or you're only running search, it might be easy to select that. Well, the acquisition type is not usually something I use. Whether I want to search single opt-in, I just type it here, single opt-in. But in this scenario, you could use this if you're only looking for like pay-per-call. You can just select this, it's easier. The platform, well, if that's needed, you can select that. And the operating system and the browser type. So basically then it will filter out all the offers and you can search whatever you want. You can download this, but what I usually do is take an example. Let's say we want to search if they have any H&M campaigns. Oh no, H&M was a bad example. I think I did Primark the other day, which is like a clothing store. As you can see, they have a couple of offers. Belgium, these are almost all sweepstakes. They're all sweepstakes actually. Just looking at the payouts. And as you guys know, my main business right now is sweepstakes. And yeah, these offers are interesting to me. But this you can see the filters. So once you press one, let's say this one, you will be brought to the actual offer screen. And as you can see, you are not approved to run this campaign. Please submit your landing page for approval in order to run this campaign. Traffic allowed. You will see here also what's not allowed. And you can see all the specifications here on the right. So it converts on the second page submit. The geo is France, what is not allowed, no KPIs. In the browser settings, everything here on the right. You can even preview the offer. I don't know if it's working, might need a VPN. No, this one is working. So this is what the offer looks like. Barbara Green Flamingo, as usual. All right, looks good. So that's how you can see the landing page for approval. You put in here and just hit request and they will be sent to your affiliate manager. Usually they check it out in like a day or two, usually a day. They're usually pretty fast. So that's how the entire dashboard works. What is interesting is if you go to resource, you can check all your referrals and you can check like the partners which they're working on currently. Same with the loyalty program. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of loyalty programs. This site is currently under maintenance, so you cannot see what it looks like. I think they're bringing in all kinds of new goodies for the new year. But they do have a loyalty program, which is really interesting. So basically per dollar earned, you get a point, or per $10 earned, you get a point. And based on the amount of points you have, you can spend it on gifts. So usually these would have like a cruise trip, iPhones, PlayStations, electric scooters, lingerie, whatever you might think of. Everything which is like luxury and expensive, like Rolex watches, it could be here. But right now I asked Kim and she couldn't tell me what they would get because there's a whole new display for 2019, which is really interesting. And that's basically everything about the Mundo Media platform. It's actually quite big, but they made the dashboard very, very simple. It's easily to go through and the offers, yeah, it's huge. So I think what I've found that the most offers they have is like sweepstakes. They have tons, but they also have tons of pins and CC trials. They have tons of crypto, tons of Nutra, and dating as well. So like there's a good balance between every single vertical. And if you want to run something with Mundo, I will leave a link in the description down below. You can sign up. They do request a Skype interview. It can be chat, it doesn't have to be by phone, fortunately. But they always want to see what they're working with and recommend you their best offers. So this was the Mundo Media platform walkthrough. I hope you guys learned something or actually what you were searching for. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more CPA content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.